Hello my fellow eggheads. So you tried to install Windows 11, maybe from a USB, and then it gives you an error saying it's not compatible. So I'm going to show you a common solution that if you say you have a newer Dell, so you feel like maybe it should be able to upgrade to Windows 11, I'm going to show you a solution that works a lot of the times. So let's get into it. So when I was trying to install Windows 11, this is the error I got, and this is how I cleared it because I knew my laptop was new enough, so this is what I did. So I'm going to hit the power button and immediately start tapping on F2 to enter your BIOS settings. And as you see, it says preparing over there in the right hand corner. That means it's now entering BIOS for me. Once I am in BIOS, you can either use your arrow keys or your mouse typically. I will be using my mouse. And you're going to go down to where it says security. I'm going to expand that window and then TPM security. And as you can see, I have to just check that. Hit activate, and then I have to hit apply. And it's just that simple. But anyway, if you found this video in any way helpful, please like and share. But from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.